Mr. Management's man just shut up, touch my.
Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the notification bell on the side and you are good to go. So today I'm just going to show you a quick thing of a routine of what I do. Try to do it every single day. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you know, I try my best to be consistent with it before I start obviously doing videos and telling people how they should do it. I obviously make sure I try to do it as best as I can first. This is the length of my hair and I am amazed from where I was back in the day with my TWA and always having to cut my hair because my front of my hair was always thin and the back of my hair was always looking like it was breaking more than the front. The front would be so curly, but then the back would be so straight. And bear in mind, I don't perm my hair. So it wasn't because of that. It wasn't because of no damage. I barely straightened my hair because my straighteners broke and didn't have time to buy another one. Like literally. So, and it's not really something that I really like doing all the time. Plus as well, like I'm normally wearing lace wigs and I just buy a lace wig anyways and flipping my hair. It lasts a month. By the time I get paid again, get another lace. So that's how it's always been. But this length of hair is grown from 2018. I've had like loads of big chops, but my hair has grown back so thick and fuller that I don't feel like I'll need to cut it any longer. I'll just have to keep on maintaining it, looking after it, making sure that obviously I wash it properly, thoroughly, cover it, do protective hairstyles, which I have been doing. That's why this hair is on fleek. Yeah. But I don't know why. People always say to me, why do you still wear lace wigs and stuff then? Because they've seen it. But I do it because I feel as if it's instead of me having to consistently wake up early in the morning to make sure my hair is on point, to make sure it's this to that, or make sure it's straightened, to look on fleek, to make sure it's okay and appropriate to go to outside on the street. Like all of the stuff, it takes time, it takes energy, and I never had that time. Like I was traveling far places just to get to a school or to work or whatever. This is also something I use on my face, and this also cleanses my face. You've seen it in previous videos before. I always seem to do it. It works. I'm telling you, this thing works. But overall, my hair, it's so like, can you not see that? Like, guys, like, can you not see how shiny and healthy? Yes, there's still a bit of balding spots in the forehead and that. Yeah, we get that. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. We have our flaws, as I say. But from the time from when I've cut my hair, because of it being so looking like it's damaged, or me not having enough time to look after it the way obviously I was supposed to, because it's like if I don't put grease in my hair, that's it. It will straight go dry. So I always have to always grease it all the time. And I didn't have that time. So I just bang a lace wig or a wig on my head and be done with it. I'm about to pull this hair up, as you can see. Look at that. Can you not see this, guys? It come looking like Brazilian, you get me? Brazilian curls, you get me? But no, I'm joking. But obviously my hair is different colors. It's always been like this. This is not even my natural hair color. I've always had to dye it before I put any type of, I don't know, next dye on my hair, or a lace wig on my hair, or anything. I always like to do my hair before I actually put a lace on top of it, which I feel protects my hair more, because once I take it out, that's it. I'm going to co-wash it, I'm going to clean it, I'm going to wash it properly, I'm going to blow dry it, but my blow dryer is also broken, so I need to invest in a new one. But I just don't have time right now because it's not really important. I can easily put a cloth on my head and just walk about up and down for a little piece, change my clothes and let my hair dry. So yeah, like I'm so happy with the lengths that I've obviously achieved. And the only products I actually genuinely, realistically, whatever you want to call it, for real, I always just put a bit of water on my hair. I have to make sure my hair has so much water on my hair. And look how much breakage there is, my G's. This is what I use on my hair. The Cantu. You can do it too, you know. This is what I use. This helps my hair so much. Like, I love it. The product is so wet and creamy. I make sure my hair is washed before I put this on my hair. Majority of the time, obviously, I'm just showing you guys obviously the length of my hair and how it is and what I do. But genuinely, I sometimes put the Cantu in my hair with Jamaican castor oil, the cream conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Put them on my head, put a clean film over my head, wrap that on my head and keep it on for like a whole entire hour and a half, probably even longer, where it becomes like it looking like your hair's doing some next kind of curly perm or shrinking. But that's how it gets my hair working, you know. When I know it's that kind of like length, I know that the product has literally gone into the roots, into the skull and into the brain cells. You get me? I'm joking. But yeah, so this is how you achieve like the curly kind of type look as well, because my hair is curly but not this curly that you're seeing right now. It's only this curly because I have put product on my hair before I put a lace wig on my hair, and today is obviously the day where I need to obviously wash my hair or co-wash it. Is it co-wash? Yes, co-wash it, and then afterwards leave it, do some doody plaits or whatever, wrap it around in clean film, make it soak in, steam up and everything, and then you are good to go. You wash that out, you then put some grease in your hair. The grease I put on my hair is the actual Jamaican castor oil. I then put coconut oil in my hair and nothing else. I then cane roll my hair going all back and wrap my hair up with one scarf or whatever, tights, them light skin tights that you see that people put in their hair before they put the lace wig on top, and you are good. Just go. You see, like that. This is the brush I use, yeah, which obviously I need to stop using, which I have stopped using actually, but not in this video because it's a really good brush. Like, it damages your hair. Like, just stop doing it. I know you can hear the brush just scraping on the headpiece there, you know. Just holding for it there, life, you know.